Yeah, I'm on now. Right, 8 seconds. Alright, so I'm going to be opening some packs. I'll be doing some special packs later. If I get the money for it. Yes, walk out, come on. Hazard or De Bruyne? Or Courtois? De Bruyne. Nice. Alright, a minute into the stream. And we've already got a walkout. Ooh. Is that Lamar? Yeah. How much money do I have in my duplicates? 39k. Alright. Yeah?
You know Debbie?
Sure, yeah.
She said that she's going to get me Battle Pass.
Oh, sick. I'm live.
You're not.
Not on Instagram, but on YouTube. Icon? Oh! Icon in a normal pack. This is a normal pack.
That's Schwelver.
Schwelver, you dumb. Is that Ferdinand? Wait, is Campbell still in the game? I think it's Ferdinand, yes. 88 Ferdinand in a normal pack. Not bad.
I thought that was a team of the year.
Did you?
Yeah.
Nah. I don't think you can get a team of the year in a normal pack. But oh, my pack work is horrible. I have him on FIFA. Alright, I'm gonna see if any good packs are out. I think lightning rounds are out, yeah. 107, alright, 50k packs. I think we're gonna go for 150k pack now. Oh, it's really glitchy, but 150k pack. Please be a special. Ooh, oh, this Fuller. Alright, we're 3 minutes in. I only think we're gonna do like a 5-minute video because I'm running out of time. I need to go out soon, so you probably hear the weird noise in the background. It's my brother playing on Fortnite. Yeah, we're gonna make them just for the 50k packs, because after the I would say the next 50k pack, that's when I'm gonna be ending. It'd be a walkout on FIFA 18, but yeah.
We might be getting the pass.
Sick. 25k, we need 30k, so I would say the pack after this would do it. Probably. By the way, I'm on my stairs, it's not a good destination to be doing it, but still. Alright, I think this is the last pack. Yeah. This pack, because we're 4 minutes 45 in. Last pack. And it's not even good. Alright.